Okay, so in today's class, we are going to learn how to declare an array in IGCSE O level or AS level computer science. So first of all, you're going to start with writing declare. Then you're supposed to write an identifier. Let's say in this case, it's name. Then you're going to write colon array. Then you have to tell where the index are going to start from. Let's say it's starting from 1 in my case, and then ending at 5. And then you have to write the data type of, since it's their name, so I'm going to give it a data type of string. Now, when you're going to write this statement, you can assume that there's a building that has been made for 5 floors. And the name of the building in this case is name. Now, for most of the students, they think that if they want to store names in this building, they can just write input name. But for this, I always tell my students that, okay, you wrote input name, so it's going to take a name, but on which floor is it going to store? Did you tell the address? Did you tell the index? The answer is no. So for telling the index, you can write input name of 1. So now let's say if user is going to enter Ali, it is going to be stored on the first floor. Okay. And then you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or whatever the address is. Now, if you want to do this by using a loop, what you can do is you can use a count control loop in this case, since you have 5 indexes only, and you know the total limit. So you can write for index 1, 2, 5, next index. This is the syntax of writing the for to next loop, a count control loop. And now you can write input name. And rather than writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 manually, you can write index over here. So the values of index will start from 1, right? So if I talk about the variable index over here, it's going to be index, which stores only one value. So it is going to be 1. And then when I will have next index, it will become 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. And once it has reached 5, it is going to stop. I hope I made my point clear.